Students, now by using these examples, let us understand that how can we find the profit and loss if we have cost price and selling price of any object. Here you can see we have profit. In this example we have profit. Okay, 1 lakh rupees is profit and here 8,000 rupees is loss. But how can we find this profit and loss? Here we have cost price and selling price, and here also we have cost price and selling price. But how can we find profit and loss? Students, we always subtract smaller value from the greater value to find out profit or loss. Okay, we have to subtract smaller value from the greater value to find out the loss or profit. Okay, so in the case of profit, you know which value is greater. Here you can see CP is less than SP. In the case of profit, CP means cost price is less. Cost price will be less than selling price. So here selling price will be greater. Okay. So here we have to subtract CP means cost price from selling price to find out profit. Okay. How can we find the profit? If we subtract cost price from selling price, then we can find out profit. Okay, and in this example we have profit. 1 lakhs rupees is profit. Okay, and you know 5 lakhs rupees is cost price, 6 lakhs rupees is selling price. So how can we find this profit? Yes, by subtracting. If we subtract 5 lakhs rupees from 6 lakhs rupees, then we get profit. 5 lakhs rupees is cost price and 6 lakhs rupees is selling price. Okay, so to find out profit we have to subtract selling price from cost price from selling price. Okay, here you can see its formula to find out profit, SP minus CP. Okay, and how can we find the loss? Yes, in the case of loss, CP means cost price will be greater than selling price. Okay, so here beta we have to subtract smaller value, and smaller value is selling price. So here in this case we have to subtract selling price from cost price. Okay, to find out loss. Here you can see we have 8,000 rupees loss, and you know 20,000 rupees is cost price and 12,000 rupees is selling price, and here 20,000 rupees is greater than 12,000 rupees, and we have to subtract the smaller value from the greater value. Okay, so here we have to subtract 12,000 from 20,000. Okay, and 12,000 is SP and 20,000 is CP. So here we have to subtract SP from CP. Okay, so here what is the formula? Yes, CP minus SP. Okay, so to find out the profit we have to subtract cost price from selling price and to find out loss we have to subtract selling price from cost price. I hope you all have understood that how can we find profit and how can we find out loss if we have selling price and cost price. Now students, let us take one more example to understand this topic more clearly. Here we have to find profit or loss, and here we have cost price and selling price, and here you can see cost price is 2,078 rupees and selling price is 3099 rupees. So here, first of all, we have to check that which value is greater. And here you can see selling price is greater than the cost price. So there will be loss or profit. Yes, there will be profit. Okay, because in the case of profit, selling price will be greater than the cost price. Okay, so here beta, selling price is greater than the cost price. So first of all, we have to write the formula. Okay, there will be profit because here selling price is greater than cost price. Okay, so profit will be SP minus CP because we have to subtract smaller value from the greater value. Okay, so here we have to write 3099 and then we have to subtract 2078, okay, to find out profit. And after subtracting we get here 1, here 2, here 0 and here 1, means 1021 rupees will be. Now students, let us take one more example. Here also we have to find the profit or loss. And here we have CP, means cost price is 430 rupees, selling price 360 rupees, and here we have overhead charges also, and that is 50 rupees. Okay, so beta, here first of all we have to find the actual cost price. Okay, here you can see how can we find the actual cost price. Here we have to add overhead charges to cost price. Okay, so first of all we have to find out actual cost price. Okay, so here we have to add this cost price and overhead charges. So here what is the cost price? 430 rupees, and what is the overhead charges? 50 rupees. So when we add 50 to 430, we get 480 rupees. Okay, as actual cost price. Now we have to check that which value is greater, SP or this CP. Okay, and here you can see our cost price is greater than selling price. Okay, so in the case of this, means if cost price is greater than selling price, then there is loss, there will be loss. Okay, so here first we have to write cost price is greater than selling price, so there will be loss. Okay, so now we have to write the formula of loss. So here we have to subtract SP from CP. Okay, because here CP is greater than SP, so we have to subtract SP from CP. Okay, so here we have to write CP, and what is the value of CP? Yes, rupees 4. Sorry, here we have actual cost price also beta. Okay, and what is the actual cost price? Rupees 480. So here we have to write 480 rupees, and then we have to subtract SP. And what is the value of SP? Rupees 360. So here after subtracting, here we get 120 rupees as loss.